Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export video in 60 FPS, so ensure both your timeline and your export settings are configured for that frame rate. So if you have already started editing and the 60 FPS option is grayed out, so if you go here to the master settings, you will see time frame rate is grayed out. What you need to do is basically create a new timeline. So let's go to the media pool here, right click on it, and then you will press create new timeline using select pin, just like that, and uncheck use project settings. So because of that, you will see now you have more option to manipulate with it. So if you go to the tab format, you will see now timeline, frame rate. You can change basically to whatever you like. So we want 60 FPS and adjust them to 60 FPS. Just like that, you can set, and we made one job done. Now, also what we need to do is go to the delivery page. So this rocket icon right here. And what we need to do is format will be MP4 or QuickTime. Codec is H264 or 65. So 65 is recommended for the best quality for file size ratio. 264 is only for older device compatibility. Then resolution you will match with your footage. Frame rate here 60. You will set this to 60. This is important. Then what we also have is some if you are here under the custom, we have also bitrate and bitrate quality and encoding profile. But yeah, I think it's not. You will also, if you're exporting in 4K, 60 frames per second, you will basically have 15,000 to 30,000 kpbs. So it's automatically. So yeah, this is pretty much everything. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next